All right, so I've never done this before, okay? So, but I wanted to tell you, like, I take terrible care of my cuticles and stuff, and taking care of your cuticles is the key. So I've heard this looking really good, and so I've tried a couple of things. I've been using, this is the pharmacy healing salt, and I started using this on my feet, and I liked it so well on my feet. I realized that it said hand and foot, and so I do like to use this. You know, that helps to get, you know, any of the dry skin or whatever hanging. But I have anxiety, and I do this constantly. And so, you know, y'all will just have to forgive my cuticles. That and also this. I used this last night, and I just got it at Walmart. This is the Sally Hansen Instant Cuticle Removal. I think it was like $4, $4 or $5. And it's this gel stuff that you put around your cuticles, and then it says you wait 15 seconds, but then you'll use your cuticle pusher and you'll push your cuticles back, and it'll help to somehow, like it's enzymes or something that helps to dissolve the dead skin that you have. I still have some old fingernail polish. It's clear, but I do still have some old fingernail polish. To get this dip nail powder stuff off, kind of have to use acetone. You can get that at Walmart too. I might have got this one at Sally's, but you can get it at Walmart. It's just the, you know, the pure acetone. And I'm going to go ahead and use it because I want to make sure that I get all the oil off. And I'll probably go over it again because I'm fixing to push my cuticles back. And it says to go over it with an alcohol pad or whatever to get all the oil off, but I had to take my nail polish off anyway. I got all the nail polish off, and I'm gonna go ahead and push, even though I've done all that cuticle prep work last night, I'm still gonna go ahead and push my cuticles back one more time. And I got this at TJ Maxx for like $3 or $4, and I flippin' love it. So I don't know what to do with this other end. I know this is kind of boring, but it's super important, and it's a step that you don't want to forget if you're going to do this, okay? For $25, you get one of these colors, the big one of these, and then you get the base and top coat and the activator. And this is a 2-in-1 product, which I love. And then I mean, that's like the price that it would cost, you know, to go to the nail salon and get it done. And I could do like a whole bunch of times, you know, myself at home. So I'll show you the colors that I got. All right, so this one is a purple. Of course, you know, it'll look different on my fingernail, but this is going to be real bright because that's how I like. And then this one is a glitter. So I'll probably use that as an accent nail today. I also recommend, this is an OPI cuticle oil that I've had forever, but a real good cuticle oil. This one's almost empty. It works best for me if I sit it beside my bed and then I do it at night, you know, before I go to bed, and then that'll help. I've really been trying to work on my cuticles. They look so good compared to how they were since I ordered this, because I knew that, you know, my cuticles were going to have to look better. And this is supposed to last a couple of weeks. Basically, you'll get like nail growth, you know. So I'm just going to put some more of that on there to get the oils off since I touched my fingers. I need to buff the shine off of my fingernails. Buff the shine off. This hand is ready for the solution. So I'm gonna make a big old mess, I bet you, with this glitter. So we won't start with that. We'll start. Y'all want me to do pink or purple first? Well, we'll just do some pink, and we'll do some purple, and we'll do some glitter. Why not? All right, so we'll start with the pink. So it says to have it ready, because as soon as I get done, apparently I'm going to want to dip it. And I got to be real careful. And this is my good hand because I'm left-handed. Ooh, that was kind of fun. And then tap it off. Well, I don't even know what I did. What did I do wrong? What is that line? That was cool though. Look, it's not that bad because I'm like, apparently you file it. So I'm gonna do another coat. This is like a real light liquid. And I heard you got to be careful. Make sure that the color doesn't get on this, and if it does, then you just need to wipe it off before you stick it back in there, okay? Ooh, that stinks. Oh my gosh, it smells like mothballs. And then apparently it'll be dry like lickety-split. It's not too bad except for the big thing that I have to file down, but that's okay. It's my first time. I think I did good. All right, let's go to the next nail and maybe I'll do better. Let's do some purple on this one. This is the base and top coat. Oh yeah, because I'm supposed to put the top coat on that other to make it shiny. Apparently I don't have to, but if I want to. That's the purple. That's one coat. I think I did all right on that one. I did better at going at an angle. Hey, that looks pretty good. I'm going to put the activator on there. No, kitty cat. I got a cat that might get involved. I'm sorry if he does. The scent dissipates fast, but my gosh, it hits you in the face. Go on, kitty cat. Go on, Mr. Willie. I'm gonna put pink over here on my pinky. No, Mr. Willie, no. Go away. Oh, you can't look at it. Look what I did. I screwed it up. Okay. Maybe I don't know what to do. I screwed it up. Just that one, though. I think when I file it, it'll be less obvious, too. No, Cat. This is going to get everywhere. Let me save the glitter for last. No, Cat. He wants these makeup brushes. He's obsessed with things like that. Makeup brushes, pens, pencils, long things like that. Little, I don't know why. Enough about my cat. You can't even see my cat, but he's right there. See where this bottle is? He is literally, well, his paw is touching that bottle. He's right there. And we're on my kitchen, dining room table, so. All right, let me save the, it's purpley for last. So I'm going to do purple here. I'm going to do another coat of the purple. Kitty cat, stop. Here. Ow, ow. Don't scratch me. Just take it. This is for the birds. Having to wrestle with a cat while I'm trying to do dip nails on Facebook Live. Alright, now let's do this glitter. Look at that mess. I knew it was going to get everywhere. Lord have mercy. Look at that mess. Few things are worse than a glitter mess. Alright, I've got this here. That'll help. Here's the base. Oh, look how pretty! It's beautiful. Blang, blang. How do you get it off? So I'll soak it off in a couple weeks with the acetone on some cotton pads, and then either wrap it in full, or they have those little nail cap things. I planned on getting some of those. They had them on Amazon. Oh, I like Amazon. Alright, so there's my messy glitter. Alright, so now I'm supposed to file. I need to get the roughest one. And this is the one that I screwed up, so let's see if I can fix it. It's so smooth, I did it. Alright, so then now I put the base and the top coat on over this. And then it'll be done. Not too bad for my first nail. It's not perfect, but it's not too bad. I screwed up right there so you can kind of see, but it's not too bad. Alright, now let's move on. Let's move on to the better nails. Now I'm going to put the base top coat on that. Isn't that pretty? I love that purple. The pink I thought would be brighter. I like it, but I thought it would be a brighter color of pink. Let me file this other purple one down. This is kind of fun. I've always wanted to do this. I just didn't think I could. I love that purple. That is super pretty. Alright, this is the pinky that I messed up. Not too bad where I messed up. Alright, let me deal with this glitter one. I mean, it's not perfect, but it's my first time doing it at home by myself. And I think it looks pretty good. There's a glob right there I gotta get off. File down, saw down. It's pretty though. I really love it. The colors, you know, the purpley glitter. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. Alright, maybe I'm not screwing it up. We'll see. If I do, I do. Live and learn. Trial and error. I think it's alright though. Alright. Here goes nothing. We're going to put a top coat on that glitter and see what it looks like. Maybe it won't look like a bumpy, lumpy mess. It might though, and if it does, I did it to myself. It's pretty. I think it needs another coat of the clear coat on top for sure, but so pretty. What is that? What did I do? I messed up. It's okay. It looks good, I think. I mean, you know, for doing it myself. I definitely recommend after a treatment like this, get you some cuticle oil if you don't already have some. I have some with pharmacy, but you don't have to buy mine. Just any kind of cuticle oil. Get you some cuticle oil. Trust me, from the gal who tears up her cuticles. I pick at them. I sit and pick. I do this. Pick, 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 pick. Isn't that terrible? and I just can't stop. So things like this actually do help, though, because it, like, this will make my nails, I know this sounds stupid, but I don't know why I won't pick at them as bad if I have, you know, stuff on them. Isn't that funny? Alright, I'm going to put another coat of the base / top coat. I've got a coupon code, y'all, for the $25 if you want to order some of this. Or if you just want to order, if you're doing it at home and you just want to order some new dip shades, I think these big ones here are, I think they're 13 or 15. They're really affordable. I think they're 13 though, and the glitters are, I don't know. I think they're all 13. You get more of the solid colors than you do the glitters, and then they've got some sparkly shades and stuff. There's so many shades, and there's a new holiday Christmas one. It's red and the green glitter, and I'm ordering that, but I wanted to try what I had first before I ordered any more colors, before I invested any more money in it, to see if I was going to like it. I like it. I could have done better on the glitter, but I was, you know, I'm learning. It's not too bad, you know, but I could have done better. I'll learn, and I'll get better. The solids were easy once I dipped it correctly, you know. Anyway, I'll go ahead and do this other hand. I don't want to keep y'all forever, but I did want to show y'all this. And, I mean, you know, this was my first time. The only training that I have, you know, is from YouTube videos. And I thought, I could do that. I know the dipped nails are really in right now, and I'm a do-it-yourselfer. I like to save money, and I just like to do stuff myself. I don't really like to leave my house very often, to be honest, and so I've always been a do-it-yourself beauty girl. You know, I didn't even realize until I was in my 20s that people went regularly to get their eyebrows and things like that waxed, because I just thought, you know, everybody else did it at home too. So I've just always been a do-it-yourself beauty girl, you know. I just like to do it myself. I like to be in control. So if I'm in control, then if I mess it up, then I could just get mad at me. But, you know, I hate the drills too. And so I don't like to go to the nail salons, you know, and they're just, I just hate them. I cannot stand them. They're not good for your nails. And also, they're not sanitary. They don't clean them things. I watch them. They'll go from person to person with the same drill. That's gross. But anyway. And that is 2 of these and 1 of these for $25. And so that'll give you, I think they said you should get like 60 something manicures out of 1 of these. So, I mean, and of course, if you're doing combinations and stuff like I did, then it's going to, you know, do even more. All right, ladies, thanks so much for hanging out with me. Bye.